Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop getting emails from OkCupid. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to stop getting emails from OkCupid, you need to go to the settings first. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now choose the settings option from here. In the settings menu, you can see this notifications option over here. Tap on it. Now scroll down. Here you can see the email notifications options. If any of these are enabled, you can simply disable this. You just need to tap on it. Once all of these are disabled, you will have disabled getting emails from OkCupid. Now you will no longer receive emails regarding messages or notifications from OkCupid. That's it. That's how you can easily stop getting emails from OkCupid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.